Like I wish my parents were here. So कलेश नहीं होता ना घर पे.
Why are we moving out? Shouldn't we solve their problem?
My mom is going to watch this podcast.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Sorry. उनको समझ नहीं आती.
That doesn't give like the right environment to study.
Horrible. Horrible? जो हम बच्चे होते हैं जो हमें बुली कर देते हैं कभी.
You don't know my part of the story, so. So hello guys, welcome back to the second episode of the Rant Room. Today we have Aryan and Atharva with us, who we all know very well.
Yeah, boy.
Hi. And today's first topic is living with our parents versus living alone. What do you think is better?
Living alone.
Yeah.
For what reasons?
For what reasons? Okay, first of all, they will not ask you to turn on the motor.
They will not ask you to turn off the fans and lights.
Okay.
Yeah. They'll not ask you to wake up at 7.
Or 5 a.m.
Okay. Great. But what if there are parents out there who doesn't ask
Actually,
to do all this?
actually, मुझे बस अच्छा लगता है ऐसे
Yeah.
अकेले रहना. It's like
Okay.
I enjoy being alone.
But in
So it's more
in
like-
fever and
Like when you are sick, you don't feel that much. Like you'll feel like I wish my parents were here. Like, so yeah, obviously you will have homesickness at that time. You'll miss your home, but not all the time. So like I have my personal reasons why I don't want to stay at my home.
कलेश नहीं होता ना घर पे.
Like when you are alone.
Alone.
तुम्हें कलेश देखने को नहीं मिलेगा.
वो रोज की खिचखिच सुनने को नहीं मिलेगी ना. That's why.
My mom is going to watch this podcast.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Sorry.
No, we are very sorry, Auntie, but it is what it is. Yeah. But still, for you, it was more like an emotional thing more than your parents telling you to do this,
No,
that.
actually, okay, it affects our studies too. Okay, whatever like you're
Yeah.
doing, it affects that. When you are in a family, you cannot get that peace. Like you can get the emotional safety or something like that, but you will never get the peace you want.
You will never get that
I don't know
privacy.
about others. I don't know about others. Like maybe
Yeah.
others think that family से अच्छा तो कुछ नहीं होता. Like family में ज़्यादा peace होता. तो I don't know about others, but for me it is like that. What about you?
Okay. What about me? But now it's peaceful because my dad is not here. My dad is not even going to watch this, but yeah.
Your mom is
But
going to watch
if
it.
Yeah, but
She's
Mama, I
5.
can't help. I can't help. I'm sorry. You nag a lot.
Oh, sorry
What
for
can
auntie.
I
What do? about
Oh,
Jishnu?
sorry for auntie.
Jishnu, okay,
So like,
he minds his own business.
okay, would you
I don't
like
think
to
so.
stay with your sibling? Like, I would love to stay with him because see, if I don't have him, okay, I will feel like, oh my god, something is missing. So
That's nice. But my story is like completely different. You both have the same age. You understand
But
each other
still,
better.
we have like arguments. Like we will like.
You do have arguments, but the thing is, in my case, since he's younger than me, our parents usually take his side, and it's like a kind of very difficult situation because nobody takes my side when there's an argument. So it's like, and also he gets influenced by what my parents says. Like if my mom is scolding me, he joins them. So it's like kind of hectic. I'm so sorry, bro. Jishnu, I'm sorry.
Okay.
But yeah.
So, do you love being alone or with Jishnu?
I think I like being alone better, but I like being with him as well, as long as he doesn't fight
What
with
are the reasons for you like?
being alone. Because okay, I am weird. I hate anybody's presence around me. I hate any human around me. As I'm so sorry, it's like very annoying to me if somebody is
Real-
sitting next to me.
especially
like-
especially if they're kids.
Yeah, kids. I'm so sorry, kiddos, but yeah.
I hate kids.
See, there are really good kids, okay? For example, I have a cousin, okay? Her name is Aradhya. She's very silent and she's very kind. She doesn't raise her voice. She doesn't annoy, like, she doesn't come and be like, Akka, I want to play. No, nothing like that. But there's another cousin who's like completely different.
Even though if it's not
Sure,
like that,
yeah.
I will hate them.
Yeah.
Okay. For me, yeah, it's just the presence of a person. Yeah. For me, it's the presence of a person that's really annoying and I just want to be alone. I don't want anyone to watch me.
Okay, so I have a question. Like, do you think like it's more in Gen Zs? Like Gen Zs want to be alone. Like, I have seen
Yeah.
a lot of Gen Zs doing that. Like, see, most of our cases are same. Like we don't want to live with our family because of that thing. So
Maybe that peace thing, or maybe that
privacy or
privacy.
you are annoyed by people.
No, it's like all the generations were annoyed by one or the other person in their family or something happening in their family. But the thing is, the older generation did not have that, freedom to get out of their house, start living alone. But Gen Z, we prioritize our mental health better than other generation. So I think that is like, pushing us to live alone.
So yeah, okay. Like Gen Zs actually are more mature than other generations.
Yeah. And also,
I
have a
don't think so.
question.
At least I care about my mental health. Okay?
Yeah.
When it comes to
Yeah.
my mental health, I'll be like, fine, I am out of this.
I'll be like, fuck off. I don't give a fuck.
See,
Do whatever
it's
you
just that
want.
our generation doesn't believe in adjusting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not only when it comes to parents fighting and our mental health getting disturbed or something like that, even when like within partners, we are not ready to like adjust
Yeah.
because we care about ourselves more.
So
And
don't
if
you
they
think it's good, but it's not good too.
Like you.
Yeah, it's not good that you're leaving your partner just
Yeah.
because you're not able to adjust. But see, it's not only from one side. Both have to be ready to adjust and both have to be ready to change themselves for each other. It's not just you cannot just say, you know what, you keep doing this and like you will not change yourself. You cannot put a pressure on one person.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm a good girl, okay?
Yeah, sure. Okay, so
Yeah.
do you think leaving your parents alone is good?
No.
Like you're leaving your parents and living outside without your parents. Like it is peaceful for you. It's good for you, for your mental health. Don't you think like it's not good for your parents' mental health? They just want your happiness. Like if someone's parents are like this and they're living outside without even calling them. I've seen a lot of people doing that.
Even
Yeah,
Huh? Do
They
you
are-
think
they-
that's
he's saying
No.
something.
you carry on.
See, I get it. A lot of people are like, you don't contact your parents anymore. Why? Like they've raised you. But not every parent love their child unconditionally.
No, I am not saying that. That's what my point is. Like, see, if someone's parents are like this, like they just want their kids' happiness. So like, and that kid is not giving a fuck about them.
So what do you think?
It's good or not.
It depends on like what kind of trauma the child went through to
If there is
push their
no
parents away.
trauma,
if there is no
No
trauma,
trauma. Okay, then it's like complete irresponsibility. That's like not ready to take responsibility, like feeling like that my parents are my burden and stuff like that. If there's no problem and that's still happening, like leaving your parents in your old age home or something like that, that is like complete irresponsibility. And sometimes it happens amongst the kids that were like overly pampered. Like, oh, my son, my daughter, she's going to take care, I'm going to buy her everything. And then he or she turns out to be very rude. That should not happen. Like everything should be under control. There should not be too nagging also. There should not be too loving also.
बट दिमाग में एक इंसान आ रहा है, मैं बोलना नहीं चाहूंगा बट
कौन है?
आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड.
Okay.
मेरे दिमाग में क्यों नहीं आया?
क्योंकि तुम्हारे साथ ऐसा कुछ रहा नहीं है ना, क्योंकि वो जो लड़की है, आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड, तो वो ऐसी ही है, मतलब कि उसकी मम्मी, समझ जाओगे अब तुम भी, उसकी मम्मी मतलब बहुत ही ज़्यादा उसको ऐसा, मुझे नहीं लगता कि जितना वो बताती है कि मेरी मम्मी ऐसे करती है वैसे करती है, मुझे नहीं लगता कि ऐसा कुछ होगा.
Like, yeah, seriously, like, I
शी
don't
इज
know.
वेरी काइंड.
Like, maybe they are kind in front of us.
या आई डोंट नो बट
Yeah, you never know because you don't know my part of the story. So I nag to him a lot. I keep telling.
no, it's not like that, but
No,
she's
listen.
like,
Okay, if like,
she is very bad, she is harmful for me, like that.
That is in her mind. See, honestly, I also feel that my mom doesn't love me and she only loves my brother. But I never feel like she's going to harm me or something like that. That's all in her head. Or maybe that's not in her head. Maybe she's seen the threat coming towards her.
okay,
Yeah.
fine, but okay.
I cannot judge based
Yeah.
on what you tell or she
Yeah,
tells.
yeah.
We have to like really meet that person to know what
I have
is going
met,
on.
Yeah.
I've met her mom, and then
So yeah, if you guys have met and if you don't feel like she's like that, then
I
yeah,
mean, see,
maybe she's kind
sometimes
and-
it depends on like how you are. Okay, every time
She,
time that
मतलब
like
ऐसा
you-
है ना कि देखो उसके पेरेंट्स हमेशा उसको वो चीजें देते हैं जो वो बोलती है, जो वो चाहती है, हमेशा. मैंने कभी नहीं देखा कि
Yeah.
कभी उसको किसी चीज के लिए उन्होंने ना बोला हो. ठीक है, वो भाई बंदों के साथ, मतलब कोई भी ऐसा दोस्त है जिनके साथ बाहर घूम रही है, उसने कॉल करके बोला कि
भाई,
मेरे को इतना इतना ये
भाई,
चाहिए,
भाई,
पैसा चाहिए,
personally,
वो.
भाई.
लिसन टू मी, ओके. भाई समझ जाएगी. उसको मिला.
yeah, I get it. She is spoiled.
yeah,
actually.
actually.
I feel it. She's spoiled.
बस अब उसके बारे में I am scared as fuck.
Why? See, we're not mentioning the
Yeah.
name. I don't think she's going to watch. Girl, if you feel attacked, just know you're doing the wrong thing.
Yeah, because every time like parents cannot be, you know,
She's
wrong.
always like she's going to kill me, she's going to I don't know what.
She needs therapy, honestly. She needs
She's taking therapy.
Okay.
So like it's already been 13 minutes since we are talking about
Yeah.
this, so let's move.
But I had one more last question.
Yeah, okay, fine, yeah.
Yeah, see, if the problem is between the parents, no. Why are we the one who has to move out? Like, don't you think our parents should solve the problem amongst themselves? Why are they putting it on us?
Oh, why should always kids adjust? You said that.
Not adjust. Yeah. See, if a father and mother are fighting and the problem is amongst themselves, why are we moving out? Shouldn't we solve their problem? Shouldn't we fix them?
Okay.
देखो ऐसा है ना कि अगर हम उनकी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने के लिए जाते भी है ना, तो वो चीजें उनको समझ नहीं आती, फिर वो उल्टा हम
They'll be
पे
like,
ही-
okay, तो मुझे ना ये प्रॉब्लम लगती है पेरेंट्स की. They'll be like, you don't know anything. You're a
Yeah.
kid.
You don't know anything.
If we are fighting, let us fight. We'll solve. But okay, you cannot understand them.
Because they are parents.
Yeah, because don't you feel like when an adult is fighting, especially like parents, the father and mother, sometimes they make no sense at all. I feel like, huh?
Still, they are fighting. Yeah.
Are you adult for real?
Yes, seriously.
Always.
Yeah.
Sometime not.
Or like I have seen my father doing that, but I'll be like, okay, fine. I am.
Whatever you
When-
say, bro.
When
I think.
He will not be quiet.
never.
ऐसा तो नहीं हुआ ही मैं. अच्छा, let's move forward. Okay.
Okay, so the next topic was college still worth it?
No,
That was the
I
topic.
don't think so.
Why
Yeah,
is-
same. I agree on this because see, education is important, but college is not worth it.
Okay, tell me one thing. Like people will be like, if you're going in a company for a job, they'll be like, from which college you are graduated.
Hmm.
They'll ask for your degree and the college they'll ask for
हमेशा
college name.
ऐसा नहीं होता ना, हर जगह ऐसा नहीं होता कि तुम कौन से कॉलेज से ग्रेजुएट हो, ये हमेशा नहीं पूछते हैं, क्योंकि कभी कभी वो डिपेंड करता है तुम्हारी जनरल नॉलेज पे, तुम्हारी पर्सनालिटी पे, ठीक है, हाँ, तुम्हारे क्या तुम्हें मालूम है उस चीज़ के बारे में, उस पर डिपेंड करता है, ये नहीं डिपेंड करता कि तुम कौन से कॉलेज से हो।
Yeah. Sometimes even skill set. See, when I say the college is still not worth it, I don't mean to say we should not study in the college. I'm just saying, you know, the teachers and the environment they're building, it's not worth going there.
One thing, like there are some online courses. Let's take a PW. You know about PW. They are selling courses. You're like you don't have to go out for college and they'll give you a degree. Is that worth? Like if they are giving you, if they are educating you, you're not going to college. You don't have to go to college, and you're getting information. You're getting knowledge.
Yeah,
Is that worth it?
Yeah.
See, if you make good use of it, it's definitely worth it. But if you sit at home and be like, you're like, nah, I'm just gonna get a degree without doing anything. I can just do stuff at house. It's not going to work out. Definitely,
See,
you have to work hard.
अगर ऐसी चीज़ है ना कि अगर तुमको घर पे बैठ के वो चीज़ मिल रही है, वो डिग्री मिल रही है, और तुम उसके अलावा भी चीज़ें कर सकते हो, तो या इट्स वर्थ इट।
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, and also, yeah, because when we go to college, no, there are some teachers who taunt us unnecessarily. Every student has gone through this. And I get you, man. 12th was horrible. Sir, I'm going to find you.
My 8th, 7th, 6th, 5th, 3rd. Horrible?
See, it's not only teachers, okay? Sometimes if teachers are supportive, students bully us. I was bullied, honestly. And yeah, that doesn't give like the right environment to study.
Yeah, actually, if you're like,
Yeah.
तुम्हें समझ भी आ रहा है कुछ, तुम डम ही लगोगे लोगों को,
हाँ,
तो
क्योंकि
dumb
तुम्हें
लगोगे।
तुम्हारे
You'll
अंदर
be
वो
like, oh my
कॉन्फिडेंस ही नहीं है
God.
भाई कि तुम जवाब दे पाओ किसी को, क्योंकि वो तुम पे कभी बनने ही नहीं दिया उन लोगों ने। वो जो ऐसे चोमू बच्चे होते हैं जो हमें बुली कर देते हैं कभी, वो हमें ऐसा कॉन्फिडेंस होने ही नहीं देते।
Yeah.
And
Okay, do you
College?
think like college environment actually affects your confidence, like your personality?
या
my college right now,
एवरीवन
no, like in general,
Yeah.
I don't think so, because see, in India, students are pressurized to either study medical or engineering or something that has good paying, like jobs, and maybe something that has good scope. But parents are not understanding
let's-
what we really need.
Okay, let's take schools. Like, do you
Huh.
think?
Schools, see, problem about schools is that if we are not studying well, they should encourage us to study well.
नो
They should not put us down. They should not compare us.
Yeah, that's
That's why
correct.
it's not a good environment.
That's right. But okay, what I think is it affects your personality.
पर्सनालिटी,
It actually
your
helps.
mental
Yeah.
health।
Yeah. In that way, yeah, it's like it doesn't suit going there, because you know our personality is
I have
going to
faced
change
everything.
because you know you're in that growing age, you need to be surrounded with the right set of people, like those early teens and in college.
Yeah.
You need to be surrounded with right set of people. If you're surrounded with wrong set of people, there are so many bad things that are going to happen to you, like without you realizing. For example, when I was in 7th, some people who were in 10th, boys who were in 10th, they just stole the money from their parents' closet, and some of them, like 5-6 of them, like went to Goa without informing anyone. And then they finished all the money and they called their parents, we are stuck in Goa, we are not able to come back. That was a huge scene. So yeah, that is going to happen if you are not like surrounded by the right set of people. People are going to influence
Even
you
if I
into
was
things that
not
you don't
surrounded
want
with
to
the
do.
right set of people, मेरे में इतनी हिम्मत नहीं थी कि मैं पैसे लेके पैसे चुरा के गोवा भाग जाऊं, क्योंकि
हाँ?
मेरे घर क्या हो गया?
For Karnataka, Goa is like next door. So people usually run away to there, like students and yeah, everyone. So yeah,
गोवा बहुत दूर बोल दिया,
गाँव भी नहीं जा सकता मैं तो।
पकड़ के मारेंगे। यहाँ कैसे आया तू?
yeah.
I've told you that story now.
Which
We
one?
were running away.
Oh yeah. 9 years. Yeah.
Sorry, ma.
I mean, I ran away successfully, not unsuccessful. Successfully.
We were unsuccessfully.
Yeah.
We were
You were still kids.
truck man
we got
I-
caught, man. We got
You
caught.
went when you were 9. I went when I was 19.
That yeah. Bus to
Yeah.
bus, you traveled.
I mean, I went to my aunt's house.
We got
Which was
caught by a truck man.
Yeah, seriously, the truck driver man. See, I hate him so
Call your
much.
parents. Give your parents number.
Ah.
Okay, the topic
Oh,
is
seriously?
the topic is escalating, guys.
Yeah, okay, let's move.
And
forward.
then उसने हमें ट्रक में बिठाया, ये बच्चे, और एग्जैक्ट वहीं पे छोड़ा जहाँ से हम आए थे।
That highway, man.
Started.
That highway.
देखा यार, फंस गए
I
आज
was
तो।
like, what's there in the bag? Why do you have bed shit in your bag? Sorry, auntie, I know the story.
Yeah.
But yeah,
So
yeah.
it's
See, if parents are fighting and destroying the mental health of the kids, they're going to run away. You cannot blame the kids.
Yeah, just like us.
Yeah. just like
Seriously,
me.
we were so depressed, man. We were so traumatized. We were like, I cannot. Now I cannot. Then we
यार, ऐसा
planned
होता ना।
whole 3 days to run away. Man. We
Yeah.
planned whole 3
I
days,
planned
day
that
and
morning.
night,
Day and night.
Okay, whole 3
What?
days, and we were
And you
planning.
know-
Okay, this route will take this. We have this much money. Will at the age of
Everything.
9. Okay, if you
और फिर
guys wanna-
मुझे लगा ना कि भाई अगर मैंने इतना दिमाग पढ़ने में लगा लिया होता ना, तो आज मुझे वो वेलोसिटी निकालनी आ जाती, वो साइंस वाली। जेन्युइनली वो एक्स मैथ का एक्स फाइंड करना आ जाता, मुझे आज तक नहीं है जो
Math doesn't move on, man. What is finding X? Honestly, maths, you need to move on.
Yeah. So, okay, guys, if you wanna know the full story of us running away,
रनिंग अवे यार।
comment.
Of me running away, yeah, you need to comment down. We'll share our stories.
It's like very
अरे भाई, traumatizing. Okay, but भाई मारा नहीं था ना,
मारा
सबसे
नहीं,
अच्छी
भाई,
चीज है
कसम से।
मारा नहीं, सूट देते।
I thought अब तो गए, खत्म।
Khatam, tata,
Ta-
bye bye.
yeah.
Yeah. So,
Let's end the
Yeah, that was too much of a discussion today, and it was fun, honestly.
yeah.
Actually,
Actually,
I
I thought it. I don't know what is going to happen. I was like, oh my god.
I knew it was going to be fun.
अगर तुम्हारा ये सड़ा हुआ मुंह नहीं देखते ना तो और अच्छा हो
Yeah.
जाता।
He was very serious, like a Hitler today.
Very
He's always
serious.
like that. Not always, but sometimes.
Akka.
Yeah. You know what? Honestly, like when I was like talking to him in the starting.
Okay.
No, when I was talking to him in the starting, no, we were texting, no, like he was texting so nicely, and like it was all, you know, like rainbows and butterflies and unicorns kind of text, okay. And then when I went to his profile and saw, there was a photo of you too, like you sitting in the cart and he's standing
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
Like you were wearing some blue and he was wearing some black, okay.
Mhm.
The look of you too, it was like
Yeah, you
I saw you
remember.
and I saw you and I thought you were Aryan because you had that, you know, jovial kind of vibe. This guy was like full serious. I'm like, definitely this guy is not texting me. Turns out it's that guy only. No, I got confused. You were twins. No, I didn't get to know like who is who. Like the vibe of the text
Who
was
is
like it
who?
was
Okay.
who's who. Yeah.
Who's who?
Yeah.
Who's who?
I didn't get who's Aryan and who's Atharva.
No,
Yeah.
who's who? Who's who?
Who's who?
Who's who?
Yeah, we should. No, when I was going live and I asked people.
If you
what
guys
should
want
I
to
do?
know that text wala story, you can comment. You should comment.
Any
You
story.
need to comment.
So thank you so much guys for joining us on the second episode of the Rant Room, and thank you so much Aryan and Atharva for joining us. Have a great day. Bye bye. See you on the third episode.
No. It's like that. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.